Test drive time today, 1938 Ford. We're gonna be taking it down the road, picking out flaws, checking everything out so you know what you're getting. Well, this was a truck that was in a magazine. It's super nice inside and out. Got a 700 R4 transmission, S10 frame and front end, Blazer rear end with disc brakes. Under the hood, Goodwrench 5.7 newer motor. So this does have a newer motor, upgraded pulleys, AC, aluminum radiator. I mean, the wires look good, everything looks nice. This is another one of those that we kind of snuck in for a date on Monday. Power steering, power brakes. I don't think this one's gonna last long. Just nobody's seen it. We've been keeping it under wraps. So I'm excited. Fully customized interior, it's super nice. Buckle up, guys, hit subscribe, check us out. 3 different finance companies, shipping, all at maplemotors.com. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride.
And the chances that I may take could lead to a big break. I put what means the most in life. Let's sing about it every day. I want it for you, I want it for me. I take my chances and let you be free.
All right, before we take off, place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Got the GT Grant steering wheel. Go ahead and start this one up. You can see the turn signals are working. Voltmeter's working. Oil pressure's up. Got the upgraded Autometer gauges. Fuel, temp, tach. Oh yeah, that's blowing very hard. Good deal. You can hear the compressor kicking on too when I turned it on. Nice seats. Maddie Boo! What's up, girl? Headliner is dreamy. Wipers? Yep. Seems to be working. Your windows are up here. How cool is that? Once it gets to the top, it makes a little noise there. It's awesome, ain't it? Now guys, did you place your bets on the horn? Because we're going to be trying it out. Got the tilt column. Does work. It's time to hit the road and see how it runs and drives. Okay, we're going to take off. Anything I see, you'll know about it. Now, you don't have a ton of room in here. Definitely a smaller cab. Let's take off. Nice and smooth right now. Tight steering. As soon as I turn, it's turning. Speedo seems to be pretty correct. I'm watching it go up. Getting in the throttle, we have plenty of path. Brakes. Brakes are good, back in the throttle. Pulling nice. I like this old truck. Now we got plenty of gas today too, so I don't have to stop and get no fuel. We're gonna light up the undercarriage like we normally do. We'll get some outside shots and then we're picking out the flaws. We're gonna check out the paint job real close. Look for any kind of Bondo or rust, whatever I can find. this truck is driving like a dream with great vitals all over the dash. I mean, we got good oil pressure. Right down the road, we're almost at 40. And like I said, it's a newer motor too. We've got receipts on the motor. We got paperwork. It even got the magazine article that it was in. And you can see all of that at maplemotors.com if you'd like to check that out, and the pictures that we provide. We try to give you a ton of pictures as well as these videos. Two different perspectives. I do the videos, my uncle does the pictures. And if you have any other questions or want any more videos at the end of this, no problem, we'll send them to you. For now, I'll be right back. So for there not being a lot of room in here, I'm surprisingly comfortable. Now I wouldn't want to go on an hour or two long trip, but driving up and down the street and going to the store, cruising to the local cruise ins, be pretty fun. We got great vitals still. Engine temperature's at 180, oil pressure's at 30, and I'm just cruising through the parking lot. You give it a little gas, she's almost at 40 now, at 40 now. So yeah, good vitals, pretty cool truck. Okay, we're heading on back to the lot. Well, actually, we're heading on back to the merchandise guy that I'm buying hats from, because I almost sold out of my last hat, so I bought some different hats again. Same new logo, which was kind of a boo-boo. I asked him to do a different logo, but he is doing the new style one, and that's fine. He's already printed them, so I'm gonna pick them up, and I think they're gonna sell good. I know the last ones did, but they're dad caps this time. My father requested that, so it's kind of cool. He said that's his favorite style. But I'll show you what they look like here in just a moment. So we're heading on down the road here. It's kind of funny, dad cap with the logo that's on the side of this truck. Oh yeah. Great engine temperature, it's like 180, 190. Great oil pressure, we're above 40 riding down the road here. I know I keep checking the vitals, but I always do that for you. With a newer motor like this, it's fine. So I realize this is in the way right now, so I'm gonna stick it on this side. Now I noticed the passing gear's not hooked up, but it definitely doesn't need it. This truck's very light, and it's pulling hard when you get on it. If you had a passing gear, you'd probably burn tires. But putting her to the floor, I mean, definitely gaining speed pretty quick. Nice smooth ride. Pulling up to my merch guy over here. I'll flash a clip of the new hats and I will put them on the website this weekend for you to pick up. So if you want to get some, go to maplemotors.com. Go to merchandise, check out the shirts and stuff, and I do appreciate everyone that buys. I will throw in a free gift and a personalized letter. We'll write them all out and send them out with every purchase. Picking out the flaws is coming up next, so stick around for that. I'll be back. Okay, so I just got my dad cap in. Pretty cool. Got the Velcro strap on the back. A little different than my other ones. Had some Richardsons last time. We got some autos this time, just to try something out. And I think it goes with the truck, honestly. It's kind of cool. Pick them up, maplemotors.com if you like them. I'm going to have multiple styles. I'm going to actually probably going to put in another order of the other style that I have on there as well. Thanks, guys. Oh, yeah. All right. Let's walk this ride. Anything I find, you'll know about it. Chips, scratches, rust, dents. We'll go ahead and start over here in the back. I actually like those exhaust tips. Those look pretty good. Tailgate. Look pretty old school. It's got some dings. Cruising, baby. And down the side. Hot rod. Bumper looks good too. A little bit of pitting on the grill. Little cracks here in the paint. Got some scuffs at the bottom. Little scratches on the step. Looks like some chips back there. Are they chips? Nope, they wiped right off. It looked like it. Sometimes I gotta touch it to make sure. Spot in the paint. Love these fenders. Back to your midsection. Overall, so far, this is a really nice truck. Bottom of the door. Graphic is just awesome. Crack there. Bubble up here in the paint. Little bubbles up here on the roof. Is that dirt? Yeah. I think it's just dirt up there. It's coming off. Bed looks pretty good. Open up the toolbox. It does lock. We have the key. And you got a jack. Comes with it. A sticker there, come off. Looks like it's our window sticker there. Might have to put a new one on. About this side. Same thing, just glancing over everything, making sure we don't miss any cracks or bubbles or rust. But so far, this is a really clean truck. Spot there. And it makes my job easy. Little chip here, it's been touched up. A little crack in the paint back there. Let's go ahead and open her up. Somebody cut down a mat to fit in the floor here. Seats are wonderful. Interior just looks awesome. I love a red interior. Some people just absolutely hate a red interior, but me, I'd have one all day. Nice quiet motor. Now, people may ask, how do you get in the car if your windows are up? There's buttons on each side. Opens right up under the hood there. Very simple. There's also a lock on the other side. I do believe that works for it as well if your battery's dead. I'll show you they both work. They jump off. They're good. And I do believe this is the lock if the power's dead, battery's dead, whatnot. And this motor does have paperwork. Come from Goodwrench, some Summit paperwork. That's in the truck that comes with it. Any kind of information we ever get on our vehicles, we leave them with the vehicle. If you come down with this, get it lined up good. I noticed at the lot I didn't have it lined up exactly right. There it is. And it locks. Boom, baby. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, hit subscribe. If you see something in the video that you want to see more of, call me, tell me, and say it, only if you're interested in buying, obviously, and I'll send you more videos of it. Whatever those areas are, we'll go over it. I'll even FaceTime you. Also, don't forget, pick up Maple Motors merch, new hats, just got them in. I think I ordered, what, 100 of them? So I'm sure they'll go quick. Appreciate it, guys. I'll see you later.